Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting updates announced at Adobe Max for Adobe Express, the all-in-one, super easy-to-use app that's included with most Creative Cloud memberships. If you're looking to quickly create social media posts, videos, flyers, or even entire campaigns, Adobe Express has got you covered, and now it's better than ever. I've included a download link for Adobe software in the description below. Grab it to follow along with the tutorial. Let's get into what's new. 1. Campaign Creation Simplified. This is a game changer. Adobe Express now helps you produce all the content you need from a single design with just a few clicks, saving you valuable time. Imagine starting with one design and automatically getting everything from social posts to full-on flyers. It's like having a whole design team in your pocket, making your workflow more efficient and productive. 2. Rewrite Tool. Next up is the Rewrite Tool. I don't know about you, but sometimes finding the right words can be tricky, especially when you're in a hurry. With the new Rewrite feature, you can rephrase, shorten, or even change the tone of your copy with ease. Whether you're going for professional, friendly, or something in between, the AI will help you get the right message out there, making you feel more confident and capable in your copywriting. 3. Animate Anything. Animations just got a major boost. Now you can animate multiple elements in your design: text, images, shapes, you name it. This versatility allows you to bring your designs to life in unique and creative ways. And the best part? The AI handles all the little details for you, so you can focus on your creativity without messing around with complicated settings. 4. Seamless integration with other Adobe apps. You'll love this update if you're already using Adobe tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. You can now import files from these apps and even InDesign directly into Adobe Express. Plus, you can easily browse and add photos from Lightroom to your designs, keeping everything in one place. 5. One-click brand setup. And finally, the one-click brand setup. This is huge for anyone working with a team or creating consistent branded content. You can instantly recolor any photo or illustration to match your brand colors, or even set up templates with locked elements to keep things on brand. And there's a shared calendar feature to make sure everyone is aligned on content, super helpful if you're working in a team. So there you have it. Adobe Express just got a whole lot more powerful with these new updates, making it even easier to create professional designs in just a few clicks. Don't forget, the download link for Adobe is in the description below, so grab it and start creating. If you're excited about these updates, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. I'm really looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more Adobe tips and tricks. See you in the next video.